Meaning of ghost train.
Ghost train.
Ghost train.
Ghost train.
Ghost train. The term ghost train typically refers to a type of amusement park ride that is designed to simulate the experience of riding on a haunted or spectral locomotive. The ride usually takes place in a dark, eerie setting and features sound effects, special lighting, and other spooky elements to heighten the sense of terror and suspense for riders. Some variations of the ghost train ride may also include elements of interactive theater or live performers dressed as ghosts or other supernatural beings. Overall, the ghost train ride offers a thrilling and spine-chilling experience for those brave enough to ride it.